Hey, flying with me viewers, Romulo here. No chit-chat, let's go. I'm flying from Confins to HeliBH. You're coming with me, okay? Let's go, I'm going to call ground control. Confins ground, Papa Sierra India Tango Mike at COP position 216.
Sierra India Tango Mike, Confins traffic QNH 1021, awaiting clearance from TC.
Okay, 1021 standing by for India Tango Mike. India Tango Mike, listening to you.
Tango Mike cleared to Sierra Juliet Lima Yankee, route as per flight plan, 500 feet above ground level. Takeoff from runway 16, first maneuver to the right at Lagoa dos Mares Gate, transponder 4175. Belo Horizonte control 129.4, alternate 119.3.
Okay, Viso.
Confins Azul 40.
4043, taxi to 109 via taxi 6 Foxtrot 2 Tango. Foxtrot 6 Tango 09.
India Tango Mike Visual Pro HeliBH, takeoff 1606, right turn to Lagoa dos Mares. The transponder is 4175. The control 1294, secondary 1193, India Tango Mike.
India Tango Mike, correct protection, report for activation.
Already ready for activation.
India Tango Mike, activation approved, report for taxi.
Okay, we'll start activation, we'll report for taxi. India Tango Mike. All set, guys, so let's start the activation here. The machine is ready, fuel pump. Activated. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Activated and ready for takeoff from Calfins, heading to HeliBH. I have the aerodrome chart open here. This is a very interesting feature. It shows us the taxiways here. So let's make the request here. Ground, Papa Sierra India Tango Mike started and ready. 216 to start taxi.
India Tango Mike, taxi to runway 16 holding point via Romeo, Charlie 2, Charlie 1, next to Confins holding point on 118 decimal, QNH 021.
Okay, set to 021. India Tango Mike will start taxiing via Romeo Charlie 2 to Charlie 1. There's nothing on my right nor on my left. Let's enter here. To Romeo. This taxiway, Romeo. Passing just to its right. The plane is here to keep people clean, right? So let's go. India Tango Mike on Charlie 1.
Tango Mike calling Confins on 1182.
Tower 182, thank you.
Have a good flight, Romulo.
Thanks, take care, good work. Conference Tower, PSI TMC, 1 ready for takeoff.
Papa Sierra India Tango Mike, runway 16, cleared for takeoff. Wind 120 at 7 knots, contact control on 294 after departure. Have a good flight.
Okay, starting takeoff. After departure, contact 1294. Thank you, good job. Hearing conference, look. To avoid getting in the way, here's takeoff and landing. It's now 7:30 a.m. This time, even though it's early, is one of the busiest times here in conference. So we avoid giving the already busy crew more work from our point. Let me set the transponder here on all. All set. It's airborne. Soon. I'll transfer control. 1294.
Radar contact, 5,800 feet passing Amparo. Cleared to enter corridor. Viter, report Taquaratu's position.
Taquaratu contact cleared.
Belo Horizonte Control, good morning. Papa Sierra India Tango Mike has taken off from Confins past Lagoa dos Mares.
Papa Sierra India Tango Mike, this is Belo Horizonte Control. Radar contact at 3400 feet. Report at Cidade Administrativa.
Okay, India Tango Mike will report at Cidade Administrativa. So guys, just so you understand here, look. This is the hallway. We're entering Reconfens now, and I'm heading to the administrative city.
04712, call it Centro Brasilia at 1242.
This corridor is only for helicopters, okay? Down here, guys, look. It's the city of Galo. It's Atletico Mineiro's training center. For those who are Atletico fans, there you go. Passing over. Now the next position. Administrative city. From Confins to HeliBH usually takes 15 minutes, okay? If nothing gets in the way and control doesn't tell us to wait. Pampulha crossing. So here, since I already know I'm going to cross Pampulha, I already set the tower frequency here as well, okay? Now I'm going to tell her that I'm passing the administrative city, like she asked, right? Control, India Tango Mike will pass the administrative city.
Papa Sierra India Tango Mike, contact Belo Horizonte Tower on 18.0.
Tower 180, India Tango Mike.
302 Malta Control.
I'll be right back. Belo Horizonte Tower, morning. Papa Sierra India Tango Mike passing Cidade Administrativa, transferring, standing by to cross.
Papa Sierra India Tango Mike, good morning. Altimeter setting on 021. Report midfield downwind to cross. I'll inform Charlie 152. Holding downwind at 3,400 feet. Traffic circuit, stay alert for traffic.
Okay, we'll report at midpoint and stay alert for traffic. India Tango Mike.
Papa Romeo Bravo, can you give the traffic report? Echo Charlie 30, previously from the administrative city, now heading towards the park, will enter the downwind leg, midpoint.
Bravo, Echo Alpha, do you have visual on the traffic?
India Tango Mike also has visual.
Roger.
So there's a plane over there, look. On the downwind leg. I'm going to the midpoint here. He's going to make this circuit here to land. I'm just going to cross. So we're going to cross in front of him. Without interference. and Pampulha Airport. We left Confins, past Pampulha, and reached HeliBH.
Papa Sierra India Tango Mike, traffic in sight, crossing authorized, proceed to the park and await transfer.
Okay, crossing authorized, proceed heading to the park. India Tango Mike, heading to the park.
Bravo Echo Alpha, base branch.
Alpha Romeo Bravo Echo Alpha, cleared base turn, entering final 1-3, report stabilized.
Report stabilized. Bravo Echo Alpha, final for 1-3.
So I've already crossed Pampulha.
Papa Sierra India Tango Mike, when parked, contact control 1202.
Okay, when parked, 1202. Thank you, good job. So here, look, it's 1202. Just leave the frequency set to the next one here, right? She said, when you pass the park, I'll transfer you to control. So guys, the logistics, the dynamics of radio communication and phraseology of control. When you're in a controlled area, it seems complicated, but it's really not. You always have to inform what you're doing and follow
The Bravo Echo Alpha.
Follow what the control is telling you, right? Whatever the control authority is telling you, whether it's the tower or ground, or ATC anyway. Everything. You have to follow what he's saying, okay? Because you're in controlled airspace. Now, if I leave controlled airspace, then it's up to me. On the open frequency, coordinating reporting position to the other aircraft in the sector. So here, look, I'm almost passing the pocket position. I've switched to 11202, and she'll give me the heading to HeliBH before transferring me to 12255, the frequency. Let's explore the corridors here in Belo Horizonte. Control, India Tango Mike has passed Pampulha and the park, now on your frequency.
India Tango Mike, this is control at 3,500 feet. Confirm landing time.
Estimated landing at 1044.
1044 India Tango Mike, control acknowledges your estimated time of arrival. Be aware of a Robinson 66 to your right. It's also heading southwest. Juliet is Papa Juliet Lima Alpha, departing for Sierra Delta Charlie Tango, India Tango Mike, visual on location before landing.
Roger, I see the traffic on traffic collision avoidance system and will report visual on India Tango Mike.
Belo Horizonte Control, PPJ departing to Sierra.
Papa Lima Juliet, contact Belo Horizonte Tower on 198.0 at the downwind leg midpoint for destination 3. Good landing.
So, guys, we're already arriving here at HeliBH.
Conference Tower on 18.2.
2 more minutes until landing at HeliBH. You can see how quickly you get from Confins to LBH in the southern sector of Belo Horizonte. I'm here, and Belvedere is on my left. Veritas is on my right. Belo Horizonte shopping is in front of me. For those of you who know Belo Horizonte, so you can get your bearings, HeliBH is along the 356 here, which up ahead becomes the 040. I see HeliBH already. I'll speak to her now. Since I already have visual contact. Control, this is India Tango Mike. I have both HeliBH and the aircraft in sight.
India Tango Mike, Belo Horizonte Control. Radar service ended at 1044. Until landing with N1228955. Have a good landing.
Okay, 12255 for India Tango Mike. Thank you, good job.
Thank you.
Alright, let's move to 12255 and coordinate with the 66 near HeliBH. Looks like it's landing there, right? Not sure.
Juliet Alpha is currently in the whiskey sector of HeliBH. Is the aircraft coordinating there?
India Tango Mike is overhead. The Mutuka Viaduct has your traffic in sight and is landing at HeliBH Whiskey Sector.
Okay, copy that. Thanks. Have a good landing.
Thanks, Jorge. Have a good flight.
Thank you.
There's a 66 ahead. I've coordinated with him. Coordination on HeliBH. Papa Sierra India Tango Mike starting final approach. Whiskey Sector. He's at 4,600. No descent. So here I already start to reduce my speed.
Careful, ground ahead.
This is a terrain warning, okay, guys? Since I'm descending, it warns me that there's terrain ahead of me. This is a safety system.
India Tango Mike, do you copy? HeliBH.
Copy that.
Is command alone?
Affirmative.
Careful, alone ahead. Alone ahead.
Okay, 1. So, final HeliBH here through the west sector, which we call the Whiskey Sector. They asked to land at Uno. It's at spot number 1. It's this spot right here, look. All done. I closed the throttle, locked the collective, and turned off the autopilot. I turned off the horn. Screw boom, avionics off. Air conditioner set to 20. Well guys, even if I'm just going to Confins, I always take my Mukuta, which is my backpack. Because plans can change, right? Anything can happen. Let's suppose there's a breakdown. I'm stuck in Confins, can't take off. Or the weather closes in, so I always take, look, my backpack, which I call my Mukuta. For those who've been on the channel for a while, you know that. Now that the machine is fueled, I'll put the helicopter away and do a post-flight inspection. If there's any discrepancy, any leak, check the oil level, which is important to check right after the flight. Leave the machine fueled up and ready for the next mission. I'm going to leave an important message here for you who want to become a pilot, or for you who want to have the opportunity to get to know this machine. Get to know these machines here at HeliBH. Come be a part of the helicopter pilot map. What is the pilot map? It's a community where there are helicopter pilots, flight instructors, students, and I'm part of that community. Sometimes I share some opportunities to visit HeliBH, to fly in this machine on an empty leg together with me. Chance to meet me, network, connect with people in the field, and get close to aircraft and machines. There are people who would like to see, to get close, to get to know HeliBH. Anyway, inside there you might have this opportunity, okay? On my next flight to Confins, I'll bring back students from the pilot map, returning empty otherwise. I'll film it and post the video here. Thank you so much for following along. Leave your like. Don't forget, there are a lot of people who watch and don't leave a like. This is very important for us who are content creators. It's not easy, okay? A lot of people think it's easy to have a YouTube channel, but it's not. So give us that like to help us with engagement and views. Alright?
Thank you. Take care. God bless.
I'm out.